Hello everyone, let's learn about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. When we say specific angles, we are considering 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So, to remember this table of specific angles, the values for each trigonometric ratio, you first remember the value for sin A. So, sin 0 degree is 0, 30 degree is half, 45 is 1 by root 2, 60 is root 3 by 2 and 90 is 1. So the next value for cos is just the opposite of sin A. So cos A is, that is cos 0 degree would be 1, which was for 90 degree for sin A. Cos 30 would be the value for 60 for sin A, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, the same value for sin A. And for cos 60 degree, the value for 30 degree of sin A. And then cos 90 degree is 0. So if you remember this value of sin A, then you can remember other values also. Now we know that tan A is the ratio of sin A and cos A, meaning we can divide the value of sin and cos. That is, for 0 degree we can divide 0 by 1, which gives us 0. Likewise, for 30 we get 1 by root 3. For 45 we get 1, for 60 we get root 3, and for 90 we get undefined or not defined, because we cannot divide a number by 0. For cosec A, it is the reciprocal of sin A, so whatever the value of sin A, we just need to reciprocate it. So 0 by 1, the value for sin A is 0 by 1, so it becomes 1 by 0, which is not defined. For 30 degree is 1 by 2, so it becomes 2. For 45 we have root 2. For 60, 2 by root 3, and for 90, 1. Sec A is the reciprocal of cos A, so we need to reciprocate the value of cos A, so we get 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and not defined. Similarly, cot A is the reciprocal of tan A, so we get not defined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, and 0. So these are the values that you need to remember. Let us solve some problems. Here the question is evaluate the following. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. First we need to write the value of all the ratios given to us. That is tan 45 is equal to 1, cos 30 is equals to root 3 by 2, and sin 60 is also equals to root 3 by 2. We know that they are just the opposite to each other. So when you put the value of all these ratios, that is tan, cos and sin, we get this expression here. 2 1 square plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. We see that here these two values are equal but opposite to each other. So one is plus, one is minus, so we can just strike them off or cancel them. So we get the new expression as 2 into 1, because 1 square is 1, and we know that 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. So the value for 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 degree is nothing but 2. Let us take another question. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So before solving this, we will be writing the value of all these 6 ratios given to us. So sin 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, cosec 60 is 2 by root 3, sec 30 is also 2 by root 3. We know that cosec and sec, they are the reciprocals of sin and cos. Therefore, their values will be equal for opposite angles. So cos 60 is 1 by 2, cot 45 degree is equals to 1. So when you put the value of all these 6 ratios given to us in the question, we get this expression. After we get this expression, because there are ratios here or fractions here, we need to take their LCM. So we have in the upper portion 2 and root 3 in the denominator, so we need to take the ratio, or we need to take the LCM of 2 and root 3. So when you do that, the first portion, that is 1 by 2 and 1, would be multiplied by root 3. So root 3 multiplies 1 and it multiplies another 1 also. Likewise, 2 will multiply 1 and 2. In the lower portion also we have the same. So root 3 multiplies 1 and 1 and 2 multiplies 2 and 1. So after multiplying, we get this new expression as root 3 into 1 plus 2 root 3 plus into 1 minus 2 into 2 divided by 2 root 3 whole divided by 2 into 2 plus root 3 into 1 plus 2 root 3 into 1 by 2 root 3. Now we have in the upper fraction and in the lower fraction 2 root 3 as denominator, so we can cancel them, and after cancelling and multiplying we get this expression as root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4, 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now let us understand this, how to add root 3 plus 2 root 3. So when we do that, root 3, actually we have a numeral coefficient in front of root 3 as 1. So this 1 and this 2 will be added, and after adding 1 and 2 we get 3, so the value becomes 3 root 3. So this expression now becomes 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. Now we very well know that we can write this equation, or we can write this expression as 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. We are just changing their position here in the denominator. So after doing that, we need to rationalize the denominator. So when we rationalize the denominator, we need to write the value, same value, but the sign would be opposite. So in the denominator it was 3 root 3 plus 4. So when we multiply or when we rationalize, it becomes 3 root 3 minus 4. So after rationalizing, we get 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square divided by 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. And when we open the bracket, or when we apply the algebraic identity, we get 27 minus 24 root 3 plus 16 divided by 27 minus 16, which results to 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11, which is the value for the question given to us. Let us take another question which is totally different from the ones we did. If tan a plus b equals root 3 and tan a minus b equals to 1 by root 3, where a plus b is greater than 0 degree less than equal to 90 degree, a is greater than b, find a and b. We need to find the value of a and b here. So we'll compare the value or the trigonometric ratio for root 3 and 1 by root 3. We very well know that tan 60 degree equals to root 3 and tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3. So when we take the first portion, that is tan a plus b equals to root 3, we'll just replace the value for root 3 as tan 60 degree. So we get this new equation, tan a plus b equals to 60 degree. We'll remove tan from both sides. So we get a plus b equals to 60 degree. When we transpose b from left to right, we get a equals to 60 degree minus b. This will be the first equation for us. We take the second portion, that is tan a minus b equals to 1 by root 3. We know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So in place of 1 by root 3, we replace it with tan 30. So we get the new expression as tan a minus b equals to tan 30. We'll just compare the angles of this tan. So a minus b equals to 30 degree. This will be equation 2. Now we'll substitute the value of a from equation 1 to in the value of a in equation 2. So we'll rewriting the second equation. We get 60 degree minus b equals to 30 degree, because in this equation we had a minus b equals to 30 degree, so we are replacing the value of a as 60 minus b. Then after that, minus b is minus 2b. We take 60 degree towards the right hand side, so it becomes 30 minus 60 degree. So 2b equals to minus 30 degree. B equals to minus 30 degree by minus 2. 2 times 1 is 1. 2 times 15 is 30. So we get b equals to 15 degree. We have found just one of the angle. We need to find out the second angle, that is a also. So for that, we'll be substituting the value for b equals to 15 in equation 1 to get the value for a. So in this equation, we'll substitute the value. A equals to 60 degree minus 15, because b is 15 degree. So after subtracting, we get a equals to 45 degree. So we found out angle A to be 45 degree and angle B to be 15 degree. As written, it is A is greater than B, because 45 is greater than 15. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be uploading more video for you to understand trigonometry or introduction to trigonometry better.